Today we gonna do the water drop like this. Let's do this, guys. So today we're gonna learn the water drop today, and it's really good for impressing your friends, or if you cry. First, you have to go. You have to learn the whistle, and you have to learn the whistle. Do this. Oh crap. Let me show you how to do a whistle. First, do the kissy sound. And do this. And go low, outward. Soon enough, you can go. And then you will be able to do the water drop once you know the hour sound. Hour. Oi. If you learn to do the oi, you even knew you could pronounce that. And soon enough you can go. Yeah, like that. And then soon enough you can beatbox with it in the end, and you can slow it down like this. Like let's go. Let's just go. Let's go. Yeah, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully have a nice banger. See ya today. Ready for the. And let's do this. Oh my god, this is so.